Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at two different stores. Some clearance deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers supply for my subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, we got the vacuum here on clearance. 69 bucks down from $139. You got this smoker. $34.99 down from $69.98. This bullet smoker here, MCS 10B. So that's it right there. So lots of good deals. And then they got this one here, no label on it, missing battery. Maybe it's a display or something. So yeah, so somebody took the battery on this one. So it does not have a price. So someone's gonna get that for cheap. All right, so you got the Aqua Source 119. Down from 139. So chair height. Then you got this one, this Vanity, 134 down from 269. It's a really good deal on this one. So definitely check out your Lowe's. You might find something like this if you're remodeling or you're planning on doing this in a few months. So save your stuff for your remodels. Check this one out. This one's really nice too. Allen and Roth, $3.99 down from $5.99. So 30-inch vanity. That's the item number there. Alright, you got this HD antenna, $8 down from $33. It's a really good price, clearance. Amplified antenna. Alright, you got some DeWalt's. Yeah, guys, some shoes, some work boots. 66 bucks down from 69. So a few bucks off on this one. They're actually very nice. I was looking at them. This one's 12. Really like the color. Really like everything. Really nice boots. Nice interior. That's 12. And really beefy on the bottom there. So really nice. Definitely check it out. I don't know if it was a special order or what it was, because usually I don't see those on sale. Alright, you got the hammer and pry bar, $15.97 down from $22. Really nice quality here. So it's one of the better ones that they have, because I do have a Cobalt. You got the buy more, save more eligible Cobalt items. Spend $199, save $20. Spend $299, save $50. Spend $300 or more, save $100. Obviously, the $100 is going to get you the better deal. And this is weird because it's at the mechanics tool, the tools. It's not at the the drills and all that. So it's just the mechanics tools. So maybe some of these are eligible if you buy a kit, one of those $100 kits or something, and you can save some money there. You got this one. This was a DWS 780. This is top of the line DeWalt. It's on sale or lower price. $549 down from $649, so down $100. It is a DeWalt 15 amp 12-inch slider. So really nice saw. And then you got this one on clearance, a Delta 6-inch bench grinder. $71 down from $119. It looks like this one's it. So yeah, I was trying to look for it because yeah, looks like this one's it. So if you guys are interested in something like this, maybe you guys could price match, or you could find it at your store. $2.99 for this one. This was just a compound double bevel miter saw. It's not a slider. Just keep that in mind. $2.99 down from $3.99. 12-inch. It's a pretty nice DeWalt chop saw there. Then you got this one, $2.99. This one is a slider. I believe it's a 10-inch. So, and it does have all these features, laser, all that stuff. 10-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. And you got a table saw here with the stand. This is a rolling stand. Really nice stand, very comparable to the DeWalt's. You guys do see really nice. $449 down from $499, so 50 bucks off. Really nice. And then you got this one. This one's a Craig. Make perfect miters and crosscuts. $23.97 down from $59. So stationary crosscut here. And then you got this one. $9.87 down from $24.97. Portable crosscut. Then you got this one. This one's you know, a decking, so you could put your screws angled and all that. $39.98 down from $49.98. Some examples there, and then you got some deck screws. $59.98 down from $69.98. Alright, you got a cobalt drill here, a drill kit, $119 down from $129. Circ saw here, 6.5 circ saw, $109. Then you got a reciprocating saw there to the left, $109. So those are on your lower price. Not a killer deal, but you know, fairly good deals, especially if you buy those kits for $119. You got an impact driver, drill driver there for $179 with one battery. Alright, these are good deals. If you guys don't know, Metabo was pretty much a very good brand, pro brand. So $79 for the jigsaw. You got oscillating tool for $79. You got a brushless impact wrench, 1/2 inch, $99. You got a trim router for $99. You got an angle grinder, brushless angle grinder for $99. A reciprocating saw for $99 is 18 volt, is not the 36 volt. You got a circ saw, that's the circ saw there that was for $99. This is 6.5. It's not a 7.25. The 7.25 I believe is 36 volts. So just keep that in mind when you're buying these. Still really nice. Then you got this battery, new lower price, $149. It's an 8 amp hour battery from Bosch. And this one is a 2.0 amp hour battery, Craftsman, down from $69 to $39. Then you got this one, this is a 6 amp hour battery, $89 down from $129. And you got some scrape. If you guys didn't know, they do make scraper blades for the reciprocating saws. Spider does make, as you guys do see, a 6 and a 4. So that is the 4-inch. If you guys want to look at the item, if you're interested in that, look at your store, buy it. This is 6-inch, $9.98. Then you got the grout out, you know, to clean the grout, obviously, $9.98. And then you got the wire brush attachment, $7.98. That's it right there. So you got a wired and just a regular brush, $7.98. So you got the item numbers there. If you guys want to buy those, it just catch my attention because I never seen those before. You got the Bulldog here, SDS, $179 down from $219. Then you got an impact wrench, the Freak. Impact driver and impact wrench, $129 down from $159. It says bare tool. It looks like you got a kit, the drill, a hammer drill kit for $99. Down from $149. That's a pretty good price for a hammer drill. Got some spade bits, $837. This is a nice kit, especially good brand Bosch. Down from $13.98. Alright, you got auger bit, $7.97 down from $19.98. And you got another spade bit. It says nail cutting, nail strike spade bit, $16.97 down from $34. Then you got this one, guys. This one I couldn't resist myself getting it. 47-piece screwdriver and bit set, $677. Yeah, guys. Remember, I always tell you guys, if you guys run into something like this, make sure you guys get them stock up on for the whole year. I ended up getting one of these and leaving the other one for somebody else. It's a really nice kit. It does have some 2-inch bits, some 1-inch stars, some Robertson, some nut drivers there. You got it looks like a sleeve. Some more 2-inch bits, Phillips, and flat. So total of 47 pieces. Then I found this on clearance. It's $4. It's a framing 7.25 24 tooth. And if you guys bought that, that Milwaukee circular saw, the rear handle, well, that was a perfect blade for it because it does have the middle diamond cut out for those blades. 383. This one's a Bosch SDS rotary hammer. This one's a big tool. 12 amp. 1 and 9/16 SDS max. So this is one of the big ones that they have. Guys, I was looking at this one, and unfortunately they had one, but it wasn't matching the item number. So 149 down from 299. Yeah, unfortunately I didn't get it. I was gonna get it, but it didn't match. Then you got this one. This one's a clearance. It looks like it's a return. It says reconditioned or remanufactured, however you want to call it. $100, and then you got this one down from 26 is down to 25.57. From it's diesel, for diesel. You got a toolbox here. 189. It's a 3.1 cubic feet. Was 229. And this looks like the same thing, but in black. I actually like the black one better. 3.1 feet. 3.1 cubic feet, and it's 209 down from 259. Then you got a truck rack here. Really nice 800-pound load capacity. Aluminum truck rack. 299 down from 339. And you got this is actually another store, by the way. This is another kit that I found. It's a little bit newer than the other one that we saw for $6. This is the Bosch. It's 1317. Was 21. It's a 40 piece. So it is the newer. And then we got the same auger bits here. 15.97. That's a really good deal. Down from 39.98. So I always stock up on these because you never know when you're gonna need them. Same thing with these reciprocating saw blades. 11.37. Down from 18.98. Guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to show you guys what's going on with these loads. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.